In this world of uncertainty, where the world orders is fragmented and the trade is also being weaponized with each other, countries are fighting with each other, there is no cooperation at all. And India can become a bridge because it is for the first time that Artificial Intelligence Impact Summit is being hosted by one of the global south country, that is India. And that is very good for us because we are also highlighting the global south issues, and we are also becoming at the global leadership in hosting such type of summit. Though there were so many administrative glitch were there, like long queues, like huge traffic, and as well as there was no UPI payments available inside the Bharat Mandapam. So that is a shame for us, and one of the biggest shame for us that has happened recently is by the Galgotia University. There was a RoboDog model. This RoboDog model was represented by the Galgotia University as its own, but originally this RoboDog model is from the Chinese firm Unitree. If I talk about Chinese firm Unitree, this is one of the best firm of China because it has produced so many robotics model, and if I talk about one of its famous robotics model, which is also doing some marshalling arts, and when this model was produced last year, the same model was doing some waving exercises or some hand waving movements. So this shows that how China is developing such type of cutting edge technologies like robotics, and it shares the 44% of world's robotics. But if I talk about India's point, India's manufacturing is just 16 to 17% of its GDP, though India has developed more infrastructural projects, but the delaying of its products is quite familiar to all of us. And if I talk about budgets, so recently in 90 minutes budget speech of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she has talked about several visions and schemes, but for India's point of view, we do not lack vision, we do not lack data or talent, but what we lack is the ground implementation of such vision. And these speeches of budget, which was always been in headlines every year, but they lack accountability of previous schemes or previous budgets. And always it happens that such type of schemes leads to nowhere, and their faith, we don't know what will happen to them. So these are some basic issues. And if I talk about some India's success, India's own model, which is Sarvam AI, is one of the best success for us, and that is one of the best large language models if I talk about the short data point of view. And such type of large language models, comparing with other countries, though it cannot be compared with the likes of ChatGPT and Gemini, but it is one of the best with its own capabilities. And we need to produce more large language models. But if I talk about what are the hurdles in producing them, the major hurdles is the administrative hurdle, because it takes a long time to clear the files for entrepreneurs. And the second hurdle is the skill deficit. We need to fix this skill deficit. Because of it, our youth or our students are being left unemployed at the streets. And another major issue is the lack of infrastructure related to data centers, as well as some digital public infrastructure. And these type of infrastructure will welcome more and more investment from companies like Google and Microsoft, and cooperation with these companies is very important. And in this Artificial Intelligence Summit, we have cooperated with them so that these companies will be sharing some tech and capital to us, and our skill development will also be producing. So these are some major issues, but such type of developments are very crucial for us, because only then we will be able to reach at the global table or the top table of artificial intelligence. So that was all about this summit. We need to fix lot of administrative reforms as well, because there were long queues, there were huge traffic, and even the UPI payments were not allowed at the Bharat Mandapam. So for future point of view, we need to look such type of issues. And Prime Minister Modi have also highlighted a Manav initiative. Manav means accessibility, and it is basically for the human values, because it means moral, accountability, national accessibility and validity. Though from 2023, when was the first AI Impact Summit was held, human values were always been talked about, but artificial intelligence in this huge competition were lacking human values, because there is a cutthroat competition in artificial intelligence. And this cutthroat competition is making the producers very much greedy, and because of that greedy, the producers are always being cared about what they can do, what humans can do with the machines, but they are not cared what machines can do with the humans. And if I give an example, one of the CEO, Anthropic CEO, have talked about in one of his article that artificial intelligence very soon can also be used to produce biological weapons that will be very dangerous for the world. And even the person which having some basic literacy of artificial intelligence can produce these weapons with the help of artificial intelligence. We all know, with if I talk about pandemic, 2020 is very much known to us related to the COVID-19 pandemic, and we do not want such pandemic in future. So let's see what happens in the future, but we need to fix such type of human values. We need to fix issues related to human values, and as well as we need to use this artificial intelligence in a way of sustainability. Thank you.